Oh, titties.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm back for another video. It's not Wine and Wigs Wednesday, but I wanted to do a review on this hair that I got from West Kiss Hair. Now West Kiss Hair sent me this hair in this beautiful packaging. It came along with a satin case and some lashes. The hair is the curly wave lace front wig. The hair is 180% density and 24 inches long. Now the cap comes with 3 combs and adjustable straps, and it also has a pre-plucked lace front and also a pre-plucked side part. Now you can see the curl. It is beautiful. It came out of the box this curly, but once I washed it, that's the curl that it came with. As you can see, this curl pattern looks super natural and fluffy. It's a beautiful curl pattern, and you can see that the lace actually looks like it's my skin tone or a little bit closer. Ignore the crusties from the hairspray. As you can see, the back is a beautiful curl and the length of the hair is super long. It goes down to my butt area and I'm about 5'3". But as I was saying, the lace on the front is a little bit too light originally. So I did a couple of steps just to make it look a little bit closer to my skin tone. So if you want to see how I went from this lace color to this lace color in 5 seconds, just keep on watching. So we're going to start off with the L'Oreal Quick Blue Lightener Powder as well as the Clairol 30 Volume Developer. And we're going to mix that together in a container until it's about a cream cheese consistency. So we want it to be kind of thick. So it's easier to spread onto the lace without leaking through. I'm also going to use a plastic spoon. I learned this method from, I forgot his name, but I'll leave it on the screen below. I'll also leave a link for his video below. This makes it easier to bleach the knots without it having to bleed through the lace. When you have it on a mannequin head and you're pressing down, it easily bleeds through the lace and bleaches the hair on the other side of the lace. We don't want that. That makes it look like halo hair. We don't want that. And we let that sit for maybe 30-45 minutes. And now to tint the lace, we're going to use the L'Oreal Root Touch-Up Spray in dark blonde. I think that's what this is. You can use another skin tone, but this dark blonde seemed a little bit better for me than I think the golden brown, which can be a little bit too dark for me sometimes if I spray too much. But as you can see, it magically turns the lace into closer to my skin tone. Now, this does create more of a grayish sort of tone, but as you can see, there's a huge difference from the super light lace to this lace that's closer to my skin tone. Even though it's a little bit grayish, it's much easier to blend than the lighter lace that we had. So what we're going to do now is just go ahead and cut off the lace off the front of the wig like we always do. Just take your time so you're not cutting off the hairs. And I'm going to use my wig grip as a base and place that on my head. The reason why I use a wig grip is because it keeps my wig cap on and my wig without it pulling back and pulling on my edges. My edges are an endangered species, so I try my best to protect them as much as possible. So what I'm going to do next is place a wig cap over it so it looks a little bit more close to my skin tone. Now, if I glued this wig cap down, it would have looked a lot better, but your girl don't have time. I told y'all I like wigs, but I'm lazy with it. I like it to be cute, but I don't like to do too much. So what we're going to do is place the wig over top, and you can see that the lace is blending with my skin tone a lot better than before. So what we're going to do is just clip the hair back and start to get the hair out of the face before we place the gel, before we place on our wig. So I'm placing on the gel. This is the Got to Be Glued gel, the clear, invincible sort of type. It's not waterproof, but it's good for short-term wear. So that's what I'll be doing today because I take my wigs off right after I do my reviews. Or sometimes I'll wear it throughout the day, but not more than that. So you're just going to wait until it's tacky. As you can see, it's sticky on my head. We're going to place the lace right onto the gel. I don't know what these other girls be doing, but I don't know how you strategically place your gel in the right place because these hairlines be all over the place. It takes some time to place it and put it in the right place, but don't get frustrated. Woosah and take your time. Make sure you don't get any hair caught into the gel because that's what makes it look a little bit more wiggy. And I use the end of a rat tail comb just to make sure I'm pressing the lace down and not the hair down into the gel, so we don't create false baby hairs. We don't want that. That's not the look I'm going for. I'm going for a more natural hairline. So I just take my time and press it in with a comb, and as you can see, it looks really, really natural. Some of my hairline is out because I didn't know how to place this hairline, but that's okay. As for the part, we're using the Pro Conceal Concealer just to define the part and make it stand out a little bit more. I find that it looks a little bit better just to make that part pop just a little bit. Not too light, but just a little bit. So we're just going to strategically just line up that part. And now we're going to make sure we trim down this little side, little baby hair section. I think it gives it a little bit of extra pizzazz, makes it look real with this little curly tendril at the side. So I'm using this Nairobi hair foam setting lotion, and we're just going to brush down this hair at the side just to make it lay and wave up a little bit. I'm going for the natural look, not super baby hair like, but just brushing that hair down a little bit and molding it to the side of my head because I wanted more of a slick side and just the hair hyped up, just to give it like dimension or whatever. I don't know what I'm doing, but I know the look that I'm going for. So I'm adding some of that foam right to that curl at the side just to make it lay down and soften it up a little bit. I'm also going to lay down some of that hair to the side just to smooth down some of those flyaways and tame that hair as well. As you can see, some of my lace is showing, and I think most of that is some of the glue that I use. It dried up wrong, so y'all don't judge me. I'm not trying to be Kellen Derrick out here. I'm just trying. So we're going to use also some of that foam just to mold the hair in the front. I wanted it to be hyped up just to give it a little bit of lift in that front area. I love that look when girls do that. Miss Roshposh does that. It's super cute, but just to add some more lift, I'm using the Got to Be Glued spray, and I'm just going to spray that onto the front area of my hair just to lift it up just a tad bit more. And as you can see, it made it a little bit shiny, and it still like lifted it up a bit. I love this trick. This is my new favorite trick. You'll see me do it in almost every single video. So we're just going to brush that hair up and let it hype up a bit. And as you can see, it gave it the volume I was looking for. Super, super cute hairstyle. I love this hair from West Kiss Hair. It looks super natural, and I love the defined part. The curls are beautiful. The hair is super soft. And I would definitely advise you to take a look at the website and take a look at the hair. I love the style. The lace is tinted, super easy and beginner friendly. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video and this hair. All the links for this hair will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.